super easy to make. General cleaning. So there's a lot of things that are natural that you can use to clean your house, besides the gnarly chemicals that they sell us with all their fancy marketing and cartoon advertising men and whatnot. Instead, I'm going to sell it to you the natural way. Oh yeah! Alright, so the easiest one is a bit of warm water and a drop or two of eucalyptus oil. So you can get this almost anywhere. It's in glass. Love it. And this has lasted me 2 years now. A little bit goes a long way, and you'll smell it. It's quite potent. Don't drink it. It has poison all over it. Don't drink it. I use this on the floors. You can mop with it. You can turn it into a spray, so you can repurpose a spray bottle. And so you want to put some water and a few drops of essential oil. Spray. And this actually has one of the nicest natural cleaning smells afterwards. So beauty. The next one is apple cider vinegar. If you can find white vinegar in bulk or in glass, awesome. Get that. It's great. This one still works as well. It just has a little bit of a more hardcore smell that tends to linger longer. You can repurpose a spray bottle. 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water. Great little recipe. Repurpose any kind of bottle you can find. Vinegar is an incredible cleaning product. It disinfects, it softens fabrics in the wash. You can use it in your washing. It's toilets, it cleans vegetables, it cleans floors, it clears odors, it cleans drains, and it works really well when combined with baking soda. Grate some hand soap, put it in with some boiling water on the stove, boil that up, and then drain that into a spray bottle, and then you've got an all-purpose cleaner. You can also use that with one of those all-purpose soaps. So just a little hack for you.